Stop by and take a look at the 2016 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-terrain, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, child safety locks, power steering, driver airbag, pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag, passenger vanity mirror, rear bench seat, adjustable steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.